Team 6, sponsored by Master Services.
Bringing things back to Earth, Matt's here to talk about our forecast, and some of us may be seeing rain very soon.
Already, on the plateau, some heavy rain as well, a few noisy storms, so some rumbles of thunder can be expected. This is our morning round of rain for the next several hours. We will see additional storms fire up as we head into the evening. Not everyone's seeing rain this morning, but notice in the valley there are a couple of isolated showers that have been able to develop, so I would definitely grab the rain gear this morning. You may not necessarily need to have the umbrella open out the door, but you may need it more so into this evening as additional storms fire up. For now though, the soggiest conditions are generally on the plateau and in southeast Kentucky. Look at the heavy rain this morning in Morgan County. Very soggy in Wartburg. This is also pretty close to Rockwood and in Harriman. This will continue to lift and continue to move into the area, so expect some rain here shortly. Parts of Anderson County, Campbell County, and Whitley County in Kentucky. We did have a stronger storm earlier this morning roll through McCurry County, but it has weakened, so mainly just dealing with rain and a few rumbles of thunder in that area. This is Crossville in Cumberland County. A lot of clouds this morning and definitely a soggy start to the day. Overall rain chances will continue to favor the plateau and southeast Kentucky here over the next 1 to 2 hours. That's what this graphic is indicating. It's our model predicting what's going on for the next hour or two, really focusing in on the plateau in southeast Kentucky for some of the higher chances for rain. But we'll continue to watch the few showers that have developed in the valley. So grab the rain gear this morning. Additional storms are anticipated as we head into the afternoon. We're in the 70s, 73 currently in Knoxville. You will notice the increase in humidity today. The last couple of days have felt pretty comfortable. Today, the tropical feel returns. We will see scattered showers and storms continue to be around the region through at least the late morning. Then a lull in rain activity will try to develop through the afternoon. That could allow the sun to come out. And if we see breaks of sun, the atmosphere could recover, allowing for potentially a stronger storm into this evening. So the timeline here. This model is not doing a great job with the morning round of rain. We do have some widespread rain on the plateau, and I'm continuing to expect that to move into the area here over the next couple of hours. But I'm showing you this to indicate that we will see additional storms through this afternoon. So here's the break during the mid to late, or more so early to mid-afternoon. Late afternoon, 5 o'clock here and into the evening, we're going to see additional scattered showers and storms. That'll continue for the evening and into tonight. So some scattered rain, rumbles of thunder once again. So really two separate rounds of rain anticipated for today, and then quieter conditions return overnight. Low flood threat with still some heavy rain rolling through and some saturated grounds from some of the heavy rain we've already seen the last couple of days. It's a low risk, but I can't rule out an isolated spot of flooding. The reason why we're not seeing strong storms this morning is because there's just not a lot of fuel. But look what happens. Again, the atmosphere will try to recover after this morning round of rain. So after midday, notice how we started to see some of these greens and yellows showing up, especially south, indicating medium levels of fuel, especially into this evening when those other storms will develop. So we'll really focus in on areas south of Knoxville for a better chance at a stronger storm. Most of our area is under a level 1 out of 5 severe risk. I just think the chance of the atmosphere recovering is higher, especially south of Knoxville. Isolated damaging winds, locally heavy rainfall, and frequent lightning would be the concern in an isolated strong storm this evening. Today we top out in the upper 80s and low 90s. The humidity will make it feel like the upper 90s to low 100s. It's going to be a warm but humid day, especially comparing it to the last 2 days. Humidity levels stay high tomorrow, but notice the decrease in moisture through the weekend. That will help lower the chance to rain and just make it more comfortable for outdoor plans. Morning lows, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, even Tuesday morning, will be down in the 60s. Highs will be in the upper 80s. That's normal for this time of year, and we'll get a nice break from the storms until the middle of next week when moisture levels increase.
All right, thanks so much, Matt. Let's